watching View Miss Tarot, and so today's reading is for Taurus. Taurus love reading for the month July 2020. Let's see what you have in your love. I'm looking into your past. Okay, I do see for some of you this could be a reason that I definitely see one thing, that you were absolutely ready to take the risk. Like you had spoke to your friend or any kind of outside source saying that okay, just make sure that your person comes back within quote. You said to your friend, or it can be an outside source, that let them, you just requested them to do something so that you can go back to the person or the person comes back to you. For some of you this has been the case, and for some of you this has also been the case. There had been some kind of obstacle in your relationship, but you had the courage to move on. You thought whatever will happen, but I will take the risk to be with the person. So I see the problem to be from the different person as well as the situation. Okay, so there has been a lot of dreams involved in the past. It could be you have been dreaming about the person and the person dreaming about you. And I also see you have been very patient about it, but you have been protecting your heart as well. But also you were very hardworking and family oriented. Like you were very hardworking and definitely had this thing in your mind that you have to be very honest with your feelings. So this was definitely there. But one thing I have to say is that I do see there has been a lot of dreams involved. So you have been dreaming about the person and the person has been dreaming about you. I also see in case of love, for some of you, you have been waiting for the person. You had the courage, you had just prepared yourself without thinking what will happen about the circumstances. You were ready to share your feeling, express your feeling, but at the same time you were a little insecure regarding what will happen next, although you were ready for the next. But the thing is that for those whose the next did not come, you tried to just work hard and try to just forget things or keep that aside. So you try to do that, but you have this in your mind that you want that person. So this is going on in you. And I also see for some of you with the 8 of Pentacles card that okay, so with the 8 of Pentacles card, I'm getting this energy. For some of you, you think that there was a mistake from your side. Like you tried to, so like you think that the mistake was from your side. It's not that you tried to do the mistake, but it's that you tried to do something good but it was misunderstood. So this is also what I am getting. So, and I'm also getting that there was some kind of misunderstanding, and so like you had been going to your friend to just say that if he or she could just um, solve this misunderstanding between you and your partner. For some of you this has been the case, and you had decided that whatever you had to do for solving this misunderstanding or so, you will do. So you definitely had that thing in your mind that you wanted to just do the beginning. You just wanted to have that fresh beginning. And also this, the Fool is a card of inexperience. Like the fool never thinks before doing something. It just goes and just starts doing. So you have the Sun here, and so like yes, definitely if you are doing something, you're doing it correct. Now let me see. You're also trying to share your feelings, you're trying to convey your feelings to them, and I'm seeing like what the other person is thinking of, what is their mental condition right now. Okay, this person is totally distracted. This person could be, you could be dealing with a person who is already married. You could be, not all of you, but some of you. You could be dealing with a person with whom you thought you made the plan for marriage, but that did not happen. Something like that. There had been a confusion. This person is also in a very confused state. This person is distracted, this person is very annoyed, this person is very obsessed, this person is thinking of texting you if there had been no communication. But I won't. Okay, just as you are talking to your friend, consulting your friend regarding this mistake or this misunderstanding to be resolved, and your person is also doing the same. Your person is also taking help from outside source. Your person is planning to text you. Your person is, for some of you, planning to give you a marriage proposal. For some of you, this could be, and this person can also offer stability. With the number 4 being the maximum out of these spread, I can say stability is there in your month, this month in July. But the thing is that this person is very confused. This person is trying to harmonize. This person is trying to balance out. It could be this person is having some kind of problem with their career right now, and they are trying to do something about it. They're also trying to invest their feelings with you. But the thing is that this person wants stability with, along with, backed up by the financial abundance. I see that. So this person is definitely working on that as well. Also, this person is taking some kind of help from outside source. This person is very distracted and annoyed because of the silence. It could be like you not talking to them, or not being, you both not being contact with each other. That is a kind of silence in their life. So don't worry, like, this thing will come to an end. This person is going through a problem regarding finance, and also finance in the sense not poverty. It could be like this person wants to get richer, or this person wants to get more financial abundance, but this person is not being able to. Okay, so that thing will come to an end. And also, for some of you, this person is thinking of a long-term goal about this relationship. Now let me see what will happen this month. Okay, this person will text you. This person will take the risk to just come towards you. And also, I'm so sorry for the sound. And this person is also regretting. This person has the feeling, okay, this person definitely wants a second chance from you. There will be a second chance and a new beginning as well along with that in this month. So a text can actually change. Okay, this month is a major decision making. So for most of you, the person coming back to you, or the stagnant relationship taking to a different place, in the sense a different phase, from, say, suppose from dating to relationship, relationship to marriage, something like that will happen. So a progress is there. And decision making, you have to make the decision, and you would be giving a second chance to this person, it seems. So maybe this person will just tell you what he or she has done in your absence. So this could actually just warn you a little, but don't worry, because you have a high, see the justice card. The justice card always doesn't mean that justice is served. I always get this energy trying to balance, and also trying to protect, trying to show the power, feeling warned, a little bit warned. So this month you may get to know some kind of truth which this person is a little scared of telling you. And I also see that your intuitions will work very good. You can get into a partnership this month with the 22 number. I always get this energy. This person can text you, this person will reach out to you, and I also see you will find out that this person is stalking you, and I also see that this person is actually stalking you. And there will be a new beginning. It can be that the second chance will be given by you, or the circumstances will bring a second chance to this relationship for many of you. Now those who are absolutely single, I see that your person will text you, there will be a new beginning, and your intuitions has already told you that this person is stalking you, and you will make a decision of getting into a relationship with that person. So for some of you, this will also be the case. So you have to make the decision very properly, because the decision can be not a right decision or unrighteous decision. So you just have to be aware regarding that. Okay, so this is what I am getting for you. I hope it helped, and let me know in the comment section down below what kind of videos you would like to watch next. And if you found my video helpful, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, I upload these video every month. Okay, so I'm looking into your overall messages, what will happen in love contentment. Okay, for many of you, the person you are expecting to come back will come to you, and you got strength. So strength in the sense, okay, strength, you are going to be together. For many of you, those who wants to be together. And okay, letting go. Okay, all right, so like, okay, so this is also something very important. Okay, like the overall energy, you got the love card. Okay, so yes, so this is going to happen this month. Like many of you, you will get some kind of satisfaction from this relationship, and also simplicity. Like there will be a very simple approach to your problem this month, the problem that has been being such an obstacle in your love life. So that will be solved, and that's all because you all being together, like you taking the help from your friend, your person taking the help from your friend. So like you're going to make use of strength of everyone who is close to you just to get into this relationship once again, and or you can say just get into a relationship. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope that's all I had to say. And yes, you can comment down what kind of videos you would like to watch next. Till then, take care. Bye.